This is the Nachtwacht-Flyer at Plopsaland Belgium. It stands at 67 meters or 220 feet tall. And me? I'm afraid of heights.
Why am I doing this again? Well, you guys are my support, that's why I'm doing this. You're helping me get over my fear of heights. So, no backing out now. Let's head on in. Who thought this was a good idea? Soon I'll be hungry there from this change. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm taking you guys along on this journey. 70-meter high journey. Legit though, I'm terrified. But we're strapped in. Nowhere to go. Sadly, I didn't have my hand strap. So. Kom mee hoor. Oh, ja. Zo. Okay, I'm terrified. At least I've got company. My hand's super sweaty. Bang voor hoogtes. I guess when we're up, it's not so bad. And here we go. I think we're going up like halfway thereabouts before we start spinning. Jesus Christ. Why am I doing this? Though, if we're lucky, we can see the North Sea.
A few moments later.
Okay, guess not. Oh, thank you guys for joining me.
One eternity later.
I'm guessing someone pulled out their phone. Telefoon of zo? Geen idee. Oh. Right, we're going again. Does it look like someone wasn't secure? Yeah, that's where we're going. Oh my god. You can indeed see the sea. Oh Jesus Christ, it's high up. I guess the good thing is that you can't see my hands sweat. This is the height I like most. At least we're at the height of Right to Happiness. Once more. My god. heading back down. I survived. Yay! Never again. Or maybe sometime again. Not now again. Oh. Soon solid ground on my feet again. One final shot, because I tried to record the outro to the StarFlyer episode while my microphone was dead and depleted. So if you like this kind of challenge that I did today, but going up the StarFlyer right there and going up 70 meters into the sky while having my fear of heights and trying to get over them. If you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel, like this video, do all that kind of jazz. Your support actually means the world to me. If you guys weren't here, I wouldn't do this. It really does help. It really helps.